yourself as you are, and you will remain as you are. Treat yourself as you could be, and you will become as you should be. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome to one and all. It's the opening ceremony of a sports day. The event is given the kickstart with March Path by our students.
March Past troop is led by the head boy Muhammad Ismail Shiban, followed by the head girl Zainoba Shaima.
Awakening and new hope.
The blue color symbolizes serenity, stability, inspiration and wisdom. The flag is led by a flag bearer Abdul Samad of Class 5. The flag stands for perfect coordination and determination.
Yellow is a color that's happy and youthful, and it grabs your attention with its hope and positivity. The yellow flag is led by flag bearer Muhammad Ismail Shazin of grade 5.
Green is the color of life. It stands for balance, nature, freshness and progress. The green flag is led by the flag bearer Numan Afisa of Class 5.
Explosion of floating feathers has colored the air in hot red, emitting the waves from our heart to take the prayer of blessings. Now I call upon Suha Fatima of grade 5 and Mariam Rida of grade 4 to recite a few verses from Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. Assalamu alaikum. Meaning of Fatiha. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. All praise is for Allah, Lord of all worlds, the most beneficent, the most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us along the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not those you are angry with, or those who went astray.
Mind, the dream of leaving the objectives in the name of bright Madani English medium school are drawn and folded in a flag. I request our honorable guest Janab Twaha Haji, ex-vice president of and present member of Madani Educational Association and also secretary of Ullala Dargah, to hoist the flag. by releasing the dove. I also tell our committee members to please join her. Welcome, make a merry feast. We take pleasure in welcoming the blossom faces and good hearts into our family. Now, I request our headmistress Zuhaina ma'am to welcome the gathering of this grand event.
A dream becomes a goal when attitude flames within you. Think deep, for every thought leads the goal. Honorable guests, faculty members, and my dear students, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the annual Sports Meet 2022-23 at Bright Madani English Medium School. Sports make our life interesting, ignites our soul, cares about the friendships, stimulate our intellect and kindle our limits. It's a day when our students are freed from the classrooms, freed from the fratters of learning. It's a day for red faces, perspiration with t-shirts and shorts are the order of the day. School Sports Day is for cameras and videos and smiling faces. It's a day for triumph and disasters. Overall, it's a day for sportsmanship and making memories. It's a great honor for me to introduce and welcome our chief guest for today, Mrs. Ramlat Hidayatullah, Headmistress of Hazrat Sayyid Madani English Medium School, Alekala Ullala. Working as a headmistress since 2013 at our neighboring school, Mrs. Ramlat has been nourishing the growth of the institution and is well known for her leadership qualities among her colleagues. I was especially thankful for her when I approached her and requested that she be a part of the event as a chief guest. Mrs. Ramlat did not hesitate at all and instantly agreed to be the part of the program. I request my colleague, Mrs. Shweta Shetty, to honor the guest by presenting the traditional tricolor shawl as a token of love and respect. Guest of honor, Janab Toha Haji, ex-Vice President and present member of Madani Educational Association and Secretary of Ullal Juma Masjid and Dargah. I also welcome Janab Abdul Fattah, Secretary of Madani Education Association, and Janab Riaz Ahmad, Vice Secretary of Madani Education Association. I request our correspondent, Janab Sayyid Tahir Tangal, to present the tricolor shawls to the guest of honor and other committee members of Madani Educational Association as a token of love and appreciation. I also welcome Janab Haji UK Ibrahim to today's Sports Day. We welcome you, sir. Thank you, sir. Let's welcome the one who welcomed others, the one who has been supportive throughout the school for the past 2 months. We are pleased to have with us today our beloved correspondent, Janab Sayyid Tahir Tangal. I request our school head boy, Muhammad Ismail Shiban, to welcome sir by presenting a shawl as a mark of respect. Last but not least, I am a witness to the efforts put in by our teachers, guiding the students through it all. They have done a commendable job. I welcome all the faculty members and all my students present here to make this Sports Day a memorable one. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I call upon our correspondent, Janab Sayyid Tahir Tangal, to address the gathering.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ರೂಢಿಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಂತಹ ಇಚ್ಛಾಸಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ತನ್ನಿಂದಾನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ತಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೀಡೋತ್ಸವದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹೇಳುವ ಯಾವುದೂ ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಕಲಿಯುವ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. My dear student, today is the your sports day. Sport is an important role and aspect of your life. Winning or losing is a part of sports. It is help you understand each other. Sports or games is important for good health. It is teaches discipline, patience, and much more. Sports gives you experience in your future life as well as support for hard work. In future, you are get many more opportunity in this ground, inshallah. Please cooperate with your judge and teacher. Thank you, one and all. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. I request our chief guest Ramlat Hidayatullah to shed few words on this occasion.
I'm extremely grateful. I'm extremely grateful for the people who arranged a wonderful sports day today. There is no words to explain how they arranged this day. So once again, I thank you everyone who is beyond this program, who put their endless effort to make this program as a successful program. So, if you want to go fast, go alone. My dear students, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. If you want to make a wonderful program, a wonderful sports day, work together. A teamwork is very important to make a event successful. So, being work together, we can get something probably we can't get from anything. So, man is always a social animal. He should work together. He should be with his friends and family. So, in that, he will get some security and some ultimate happiness. So, I appreciate everyone who worked together to make this program very successful. So first thing we can learn from a sports, it is a teamwork. Without a teamwork, we can't succeed in this stage. Then I want to speak something about sports. So sports, winning and losing is always will be there in our life. Once we lose, and next time we should not let the chance to go from our hand. So for that, what is important in our life? First of all, practice. Practice is very important in our life. So when you are practicing daily, it will become habit in your life. After that habit will turn into an attitude. Those attitude will lead us to achieve our goal. Once a day, we will succeed in our life to achieve our goal. So, my dear students, always practice. Don't give up. If you lost the game, don't give up. Next day, practice will always help you to achieve your goal. That's why sports can inculcate many things in our life. We can learn self-confidence, self-esteem, and we can also obtain some consistency, and we can also build the character of defensibility. Do you know what is a defensibility? So means in all the sports, in your life, we can see the people who are backbiting, who are sledging our. So that is the power of the people. They don't want to our success. They want to demotivate us. That's why we should learn how to defend ourselves. From the sports, we can get the character of defensibility. Like how any can say. But defending ourselves, nobody can defend yourself.
we should defend ourselves. So once you lost the game, next time try and practice and once successful in your life. So I want to tell a story of a great godman Sachin Tendulkar, who was known as God of cricket. So one day there was match was going against the Australia. One day match was going on. So Australia was bowling and Sachin Tendulkar was in the batting field. So what happened? So when he was playing the ball, Brad Hogg has took the wicket of Sachin Tendulkar. So Brad Hogg was on the top of the world. He doesn't had a word to express his enjoyness because he took the wicket of the legend of the cricket. So he was very happy. At the end of the day, he will go to the Sachin Tendulkar and ask with the Sachin Tendulkar, "Sir, I need your autograph." That time Sachin Tendulkar wrote on his ball, "This will never happen in your life. Once again, this will never happen." So on that day, Sachin Tendulkar has took a promise. After this event, I won't give my wicket to the Brad Hogg. After that, he played 45 match against the Australia, but one single day, Brad Hogg didn't take the wicket of Sachin Tendulkar. This is a power of consistency and power of practice, the students. Once if you practice, once you become a successful in your life, nobody can't demote you. Once you make a consistent in your life, once you set your goal, please practice and please become successful in your life. I don't want to extend my speech. First of all, I thank all the organizers who gave me a chance to address the gathering. So thank you one and all for this golden opportunity.
ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು 4 ಗೋಡೆಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತು ನೀವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ ದೈಹಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೂ ಅಗತ್ಯ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇ, ಇದು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವು ಎಂಬುದು ಇದ್ದದ್ದೇ, ಆದರೆ ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಮೂಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬಾ ಆಮ್ಟೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ, ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೋಲು ಗೆಲು ಇದ್ದದ್ದು, ಸೋತರು ಅದು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೆಲುವಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಬೇಕು. ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Now I request our Secretary Abdul Fattah to speak few words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅಸ್ಸಲಾಮ್ ಅಲೈಕುಂ. ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿ ಅಂತಾದಂತಹ ಹಜರತ್ ಸೈಯದ್ ಮದನಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯವರು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇರಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಸಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಶ್ರಮಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಾಗಿ ಈ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಸಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Let sports bring unity among students and teach them team spirit and continue to grow greater in the days to come with love for freedom, for fellow men and country. Now I call upon my colleague Josna Rovita Menezes to deliver vote of thanks.
Gratitude makes the sense of past, brings peace for today and creates vision for tomorrow. A very good morning one and all present here. I feel honored and privileged to get the opportunity to propose a oath of thanks on this sports day. On behalf of Bright Madani English Medium School, management and all the students, I like to express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Mrs. Ramlat Hidayatullah, the headmistress of Hazrat Sayyid Madani English Medium Medium School, Alekala, for accepting our invitation, taking time of your busy schedule to grace this occasion. Ma'am, it was indeed our great pleasure and pride to have you among us. Thank you, ma'am. I'm happy to extend my heartfelt thanks to Janab Twaha Haji, our ex-Vice President and present member of Madani Educational Association, and also he is the Secretary of Sayyid Madani Dargah and Ullal Juma Masjid. Thank you, sir, for sparing your valuable time with us today. I'm very much thankful to Janab Tahir Tangal, the correspondent of Bright Madani English Medium School, and Janab Abdul Fatah, the Secretary of Madani Educational Association, for being a strong pillar of support which assists the success of every event. I would like to thank Janab UK Ibrahim Kaketota and Mr. Riaz Ahmad, committee members of Madani Educational Association. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. Today, my words are not enough to express the gratitude to our beloved headmistress, Mrs. Suhaina Parveen, for her able guidance. Today's program was not have been success without her continued supervision and encouragement. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks to our entire teaching and non-teaching staffs for your collective efforts and team spirit. Thank you, Ashraf sir, for your support, and I would like to thank Mr. Asif, the media team of Farsakural. How can I forget my dear students who is beautifully assembled here? Thank you, dear students. Never waste your time in dreaming your future. Instead, wake up and work hard to get your desired goal. In race, if you fail, no matter, but don't let your spirit winning down, not for a while. You are going to be amazing. Thank you, one and all. Have a great day.
Now it's time to honor a chief guest. I request our HM Zuhaina ma'am to honor the chief guest with a memento.